Okay, this is our plated dish, and this looks pretty good. I tasted a little bit of the stuff, and it's sweet. I taste obviously the five spices and the brown sugar, but it tastes pretty good. Um, there's not a lot of steps. It's basically the same level of steps with different ingredients you would have for just a regular beef stew, but it's just chicken. Um, I would say that it's not as long for a stew, but I will say this: it's a lot of fun to make, and it tastes really good. And as you can see, it's a very stuffed with food. Um, so I'm gonna chow down on this, and you guys have a wonderful time. Remember, at this point, you would put when you plate it, you would put on the green onions. I didn't have green onions because like I'm just gonna dig into this. But if you have like a dinner party or something, or you're just for presentation, Instagram is always looking for that best picture. Put it on there, and I will see you guys later.